We wanted to create a platform that could be intuitive to use for our customer. The name of this platform is iKUKA. We will have a new operative system that it's not only a new way of programming robot, is a new concept to approach with our robots. We have created an ecosystem where customer can find easily a lot of components, devices, solutions that can be easily implemented inside our iKUKA OS. Our new platform, iKUKA, is not only an operating system, is a new family of robots that we call them LBR Easy family, that can be easily programmed inside our iKUKA OS.
Industrial intelligence.